Lovey's Fat Life here today, and we're checking out the laundry locations, the laundry room locations on the Carnival Magic. So the laundrette on deck 10 is 264, but there's a couple people there, so I can't show you that one. But I will show on another floor if nobody's in there. Alright, the laundrette on 2377. It's right beside it. Just a heads up on that. Alright, 7349, 7345. Laundrette is right across from 7347. Alright, so this is coming into the laundrette. Got an emergency phone to the left, got a sink, washing hands, washers and dryers. This is kind of a decent sized space, but not huge. Towels. There's the instructions. I'll try to post in the video better instructions. It's been ripped off on this one. Soap center. Use your sign and sell away card for everything. All the other ones I've went to have been full. This one somebody's using. That one's not working. Just a heads up on that. How many we got in here. So that's it for laundrette. Hey, thank you guys for checking out this video. Just trying to show you the laundrettes, the three that I know of. I'll research more and see if there's more on the Carnival Magic. It's on decks 2, 7, and 10. Have a good one. Thank you.